And there you go. That is leaking out of the head. I laid into it right up there at Andrew's house and just started blowing white smoke out the tailpipe. So I feel pretty sure that it's going to be a head gasket. So I tell you what, Andrew literally lives right there. He'll be here in just a second. So let's analyze this thing, figure out what's going on with it, and we'll talk about it when we get back to the house. Are we kind of even?
Not on that. But it's because how we got the car hooked up. I can try to push on it with my foot. See if I can get it to work over.
Damn, that damn cable don't look too good either.
Yeah.
Once we get the front tires up, it should be all right.
Yeah.
All right. All right, well, the car's back home. Let's go ahead, get it on the lift, and, well, might see what's going on with it. Pretty sure I already know, but. That's right, guys. Yesterday, we were out shooting a video of the car with the new wheels for LMR, and we popped the head gasket. Pretty bad this time. I mean, it was just rolling white smoke out the back of the tailpipes. So we are at a point right now where we have to discuss what we want to do with this car. We could, A, throw the 347 with the dark block in it, which is a great idea, but it's going to cost a lot of money. And when I say a lot of money, it's going to take us probably $2 grand to get that engine in the car and get some type of suspension rear end setup that will hold this thing to even make it fun and usable. Or we got B, which is go ahead and pop a head gasket on this and just enjoy it. Or we got C, which is forget about it, just push it to the side, start on the 65. So as you all know, I have been preaching the fact that we're going to get this 65 fastback here in the shop and start the restoration process on that. Well, if we want to do that, if we still want to do that, then this car just needs to be patched up. I can't afford to do that and build the 65. So, look, guys, there's different levels of budget, right? The channel's doing a little bit better. My budget has went up from what it was when I first started the channel. You want honesty? There's your honesty. But I'm still on a budget. I can't throw any amount of money at this car that I want to. I have to, I have to budget things out. I have to be smart. I'll get it up on the lift and show you guys where it's leaking from. Then we're gonna pull this thing off, throw us another head gasket on it, and get it back on the road. That's the cheapest thing. We're not putting studs in the car. As you all know, we have ARP bolts. I've gotten flack over the years from that, and I get it. This is the second head gasket we've blown. I understand. As I'm not going to spend the money to put the head studs in this car and then turn right around here in a few months and have to buy new head studs, because if you guys don't know, the studs for the dart block are actually 351 Windsor studs. They're 1/2 inch. These are 7/16. Enough talk. I know you guys want to see us turn some wrenches. Let me get the car up on the lift and show you guys what happened. This thing typically blows out everything. Let's see if this camera can pick it up. All right, if you look really closely, in between the head and the block, you can see antifreeze. So we absolutely 100% have a blown head gasket. Nothing else seems to be hurt. It was just blowing out white smoke. What I'll probably do is just set up a time lapse somewhere up here for you guys, and we'll just discuss it after the fact. We got to get busy. All right, guys, real quick, and there you go. That is leaking out of the head right here. Here you go, Craig. You want to?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we're good. So, I'd say we had a blown gasket for sure. which we already knew that. But all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and lift this head off, see what we got. Oh yeah.
Do you want me to put those with the rest of them?
Just leave them there for now. We'll come back, do some housekeeping after we get the head off. All right, here we go. It's gonna be full, I predict. It's gonna be full of bright green stuff. All right, here we go. Let's see if we got some alien piss in here.
There it is.
So there it is. That's where it blew. We'll have to do some investigating here, guys, and make sure that everything's good. But I don't know. Right now, it doesn't look too bad.
Look at how full that is.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely show them that. Let's see.
Yeah. The light. It'll be hard to pick up, but.
Now look at the crossover tube down here, completely full. So we're going to drain all that.
That's ridiculous.
That's awesome. So I think she will live. I think she will live unless I see something else out of the ordinary. Looks like right now she's going to be all right. Put a new gasket on it, retorque everything, guys, and we'll give it another go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this particular video up because you guys, you know, you saw the footage from when it happened. There's really no point in going any further because I probably won't put this back together tonight. And it's simply because my son's here. I want to spend time with him. We don't want to stay out here and do this all night. So we'll probably go inside, play some video games, play some Assassin's Creed. Sounds good. Family time, guys. Family time. This stuff right here can wait. All right. I do want to know, though, what do you guys think about budgeting this thing back together? What do you think about that? Just know, if we spend our money on fixing this car, putting the new engine in it, there's going to be no 65 for. It's probably going to put us on hold for 2 months. I would say 2 months. And my heart's not in this right this second. I love this car. I'm super excited about putting this new engine in. Not right now though. So hope you guys understand. I mean, it depends on the comment section. I mean, if you guys get in here and really just flood it, maybe, I don't know, you probably won't be able to change my mind though. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead, wrap this video up, and as always, thanks for watching.